Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Elevator. The song is Elevator. The artist is DJ Dior, and the choreography is Reshad, Poseidon, McLoyd. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you're interested in the step-by-step instructions, please check out the choreographer, and also I'll post mine at the end of this video. And let's get it.
Up, down, up, and down, elevator, up, down, up, and down, elevator,
My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.